Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Iubenda, a deal that is leaving AppSumo in 7 days. So hurry up because this is a deal that you can't miss because of their unique features and being um, managed by a professional team with professional lawyers. And the idea here is to keep your site and app compliant with all legal requirements and privacy laws for optimal peace of mind. As you know, legal fees are expensive and usually it's not uh, realistically to expect that small businesses and solo entrepreneurs will have the money to hire lawyers to create their privacy laws, their terms, and their cookies policy. And Ubenda is here to make your life easier to comply with GDPR, CCPA, and other privacy policies around the world. What Ubenda will do, they have their lawyers who create the privacy policy and the other privacy documents for you, updating them in real time when the law changed. So they are constantly updating their policies, constantly updating accordingly the legislation. And you also can customize your policy and your uh, terms respecting the particularities of your business. So you're gonna see how it works. The deal is a three code deal, so prepare yourself to buy the three codes because then you get the consent solution that are really important to keep on track. If you have a newsletter, a blog that you get emails, so you need that consent solution that the entries will be recorded on Ubenda and you can prove that you have the consent of those people to send them emails. You get also the internal privacy management that is mandatory for those under the GDPR legislation, and you can also buy additional consent from Ubenda if you get the three codes. With three codes, you get 25 license, 2 15 license, and 1 5 license. They count one license per document. So if you have one website and you need four documents, if you need the privacy and cookie policy, and also if you need the terms and conditions, you're gonna spend more license accordingly with the number of documents you need. So prepare yourself if you have two or three sites to get at least three codes. They have 44 positive reviews on AppSumo, and you're gonna save a lot of money if you get the deal. So it's not a deal to be missed. Let's go to Ubanda and I'm gonna show you how it works. So here on account and billing, you can see the limits and you can see that I have three codes, about the three codes. And here on dashboards, you can generate your license. So everything starts here when you click on start generating. Clicking here, they're gonna load the page, and you can um, opt from opt to create a website license, a mobile app license, or a Facebook app. So it works from mobile app and websites as well. And you can create right now documents in Dutch, English, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish. If you are in Brazil, they are optimized to the Brazilian law. If you are in Europe, they are optimized to GDPR. And also in the United States, with the privacy laws and even the specific privacy law in California. So everything will be optimized depending on your business. So after that, you're going to generate the document, and here you can see what you're going to get. So my website here, I can work with cookie solution, privacy and cookie policy, terms and conditions, consent solution, and internal privacy management. Since my blog is not in the European Union, we don't have European Union users, so I did not install the internal privacy management, and also the cookie solution I don't need to install right now, only in the future. So I installed the privacy and cookie policy, the terms and conditions, and consent solution. I'm gonna explain the difference. Here, when you choose cookie solution, you're gonna have a pop-up on your website, and you will warn your visitors that you use cookies, and they will agree or not with that. This is important to comply with the European Union legislation. Also, you have here the consent solution. It's a code that you add on, you can see here embed. You embed the code on your website, and they're going to track all your subscribers. So if there is a new subscriber on your newsletter, they're going to track it, and they're going to, and that is a way that you're going to prove that you are getting the consent of those users. So here you're gonna have a CRM with the legal notes, subject, consent. So all your consent will be tracked by the consent solutions. And here on privacy and cookie policy, I'm gonna show you how to edit it and how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna start here creating your privacy policy. So the privacy policy and the terms and conditions are required by any blogger or commerce website that get users' data in any way, newsletter, or if you use cookies, you need to have it. And as you can see here, they have a lot of specific clause that you're gonna add depending on your business. So I have a content form, so I'm gonna add that clause. I have Facebook remarketing, I'm gonna add that clause. I do direct email marketing, I'm gonna add that clause. So you use Google Analytics, you're gonna add that clause. So you're gonna add all the clause you need depending on the tools that you use on your website. For instance, I use WordPress, so I'm gonna add the WordPress clause. So here on the left, you're gonna select the clause you need to personalize your privacy policy. And here on the right, if you are in the European Union, you're gonna do GDPR for all your users. If not, only European Union users. And you can enable or disable the specific policy to Brazilian users and Californian users as well. And of course, select the language of your document. And also configure your cookie policy. So everything is done on a click of a button, and it's pretty fast to create your document that will be generated automatically by Iubenda. And here are the terms and conditions as well. You can edit the terms and conditions accordingly to your business. And I'm going to add what is important to your business here, what is required and what is related to them. You're going to choose your email and select who is the person or the company responsible to store the data of the users. So it's pretty simple. You're going to add only you're going to customize the document accordingly to your business and language in the place where you are, and then you're going to generate the document, and how you're going to use the document on your website mobile app or mobile app. You can select add a widget to the footer, as you can see here, privacy policy, cookie policy, terms and conditions. I'm going to add that widget, and it will be like that on the footer. You can use a direct link, just copy and paste the direct link on your website, or you can embed the text in the body, is what I did. So I embed my privacy policy, cookie policy, and terms and conditions on the body. And I selected here to white label it. I'm gonna show you how it works. If I go to my website, clicking here, I have my politics here on below. And here you will see that the documents will be loaded on my website and everything will be translated, updated automatically by the Ubenda lawyers. So you put your privacy policies and your terms and conditions here on your website, and then you don't need to worry anymore because the lawyers will update the documents in real time. So your privacy policy and terms and conditions will be always updated. What do you need to do is, if you are using a new tool or a new kind of affiliate marketing or doing a new kind of advertising, you go here and add this advertising. So let's say now you're gonna um, use Amazon affiliate marketing, you're gonna use their ads. So you go there and you add the Amazon privacy policy. You disclose to your user that you're using Amazon. They have like a button there. You click on the Amazon button and it's done. Here the cook solution. I did not start it on my website right now because I don't know if I need it in Brazil. I think I don't need it. I don't need it right now, but I double check. But it's a pop-up that will show on your website, and you are gonna select. The user will select if they want uh, to if they agree with the cookies or not. Okay, so it's pretty easy to add Ubenda. It's embedding code or links or even embed a widget, and everything is done. If you want to embed the widgets, I'm gonna show you how it works. Can you see here? Privacy policy, cookie policy, and terms and conditions. If you click here, everything will be shown. So here's my terms and conditions. Here's my cookie policies. So they will pop up on your website. I selected embed the text in the body, but adding the widgets is really cool as well. So I totally recommend it. Totally recommend you to get Iubenda. It's like a no-brainer because for a lifetime you will have your app or your website with compliance with the privacy law. As a lawyer, I would say get it. If you don't have the money to always pay a privacy lawyer, get it. It will make you be covered with lawyers analyzing and updating the legislation for you automatically. So it's a no-brainer. Do not miss that deal. If you like that review, please click on the button below and help me to keep going.